Yeah, that's a working title. That's a film made by Imtiaz Ali's younger brother, Sajid Ali. He's directed the film. Fantastic. It's a working title. Banana is not the final title, and we're still in the process of just about finishing that film.
Okay, so my second question is your line in the film says that why men are addicted to pain. So came person has John sometimes been addicted to pain.
I work out every day in the gym, and I lift weights, and it hurts, but I'm not there to complain. So I think I'm in pain every day. After my workouts, I enjoy pain. It hurts me when I don't succeed in things. It hurts. That's a kind of uh, you know pain I go through. But otherwise, I don't go through any other pain. I'm hardcore. I'm very hard. Nothing can destroy me.
हाय जॉन आरजे अरुण फ्रॉम ओएफ मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि जब कभी मन करता है कुछ चटपटा खाने का या कुछ ऐसा तो कैसे खुद को रोक पाते हैं क्योंकि फिटनेस के लिए काफ़ी ज़रूरी होता है।
जी ब्रेक्स लेना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है लेकिन मेरे लिए जो चटपटा चीज़ जो है वो एक चॉकलेट प्रोटीन शेक है जो बहुत ही स्पेशल है मेरे लिए या मैं प्रोटीन केक्स खाता हूँ जो केक्स जो ब्रेड से बनते हैं वो नहीं खाता हूँ मैं फ्लैक्सीड से जो बनते हैं और उसके ऊपर चॉकलेट की जगह पे दे पुट whipped क्रीम एंड द whipped क्रीम इज़ मेड ऑफ वे आइसोलेट चॉकलेट और अंदर जितने भी सारी चीज़ें हैं इज़ ऑल हेल्दी कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स जैसे ओट मील्स एक्सेट्रा सो आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग दैट्स अनहेल्दी मेरा मन नहीं करता है कि मैं कुछ उल्टा सीधा खाऊं और आई थिंक दैट्स वाई 365 डेज अ ईयर या तो ये मेरा शेप है या इससे 20% कम 20% ज़्यादा है बट आई ट्राई एंड मेंटेन द शेप 365 डेज ऑफ द ईयर जो बहुत ही ज़रूरी है और अगर आपको ये मेंटेन करना है तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप अल्कोहल नहीं पिए आप ऑफ कोर्स ड्रग्स की बात छोड़िए लेकिन ये केक्स जो आप खाते हो फ्राइड स्टफ ये सब आपको इससे ब्रेक लेना पड़ेगा एटलीस्ट फॉर अबाउट 4 or 5 years to see some change. And I've been doing it for about 21 years now, 22 years without a break. Last time, मेरा जो favorite sweet है, I like Kaju Katri Barfi. I love that, I love it. Oh my! I had it 21 years ago. So I don't have aerated drinks. It's been about 15 years, 16 years. Rice once in a way, maybe once a year, white rice. So you have to be very strict with your diet because if you're not strict, you're not going to see results. And trust me, if all of you are very strict, you can be on the cover of Men's Health. And for me, honestly, it's really an honor because Jamal and I are very good friends. और जमाल ने मुझे पूछा था उस टाइम पे कि why don't you do the cover? And I said जमाल मैं शेप में नहीं हूँ I can't do this cover I'm not ready लेकिन जब भी मैं ready था I spoke to him I got Dabu because Dabu is not only my friend but I believe is probably closest to me who can shoot my body really well and we got something out so beautiful so I'm very happy that this happened I'm really honored to be on the cover.
You know, John, so I've not told you this, but I think you're your strongest critic. You know, you look at yourself in a manner that nobody else can, and you find flaws that nobody else can see. So go a little easy. We know you're hardcore, but go a little easy on yourself.
Yeah, he
and
called
go a little
when you
easy
call.
on them. Don't get them off desserts for 5 years.
When he called me, also he told me the first thing he said, "I think I'm in okay shape. Can we shoot?" You know, so I said, "Yeah," and I saw him.
We know what your okay shape is like. Yeah.
But I'm very serious about the desserts and all because 10 साल में शायद मैं गलत हूँ जमाल को ये ज़्यादा पता होगा but just like cigarette smoking is injurious to health happens very soon there's going to be white sugar is injurious to health and then maida is injurious to health and then there's going to be a list of things so you might as well stop now so you can live longer and healthier lives.
So one of the things that a men's health study found, you got direct advice from John. Yes, so we need to audition you for the men's health cover in a few months. 10 years is too long.
What is one of the studies?
So one of the studies that Men's Health found recently was that sugar is the one substance, one food group that a man can do without for the rest of your life,
Yeah.
and it will not make any difference. So you must eat a balance of all food groups, but sugar, white sugar, is something you should
तो
completely.
अगर आपको sugar consume करना है तो fruits have fructose, which is a great form of sugar.
There's other ways of having.
Other ways of having this sugar.
Hi John, Shilpa from New Zealand today. John, do you follow any fitness fads? Do you have your eye on any fads? What do you think is going to be the next big one? And also, yoga as a movement is biggest one in India, fitness movement. Do you practice yoga?
Okay, fantastic question. I don't practice yoga, but I've incorporated yoga in a lot of my daily routines that I perform. For example, my lower back is prone to injury. So when I work my lower back, I do something called a chakrasana. Chakrasana is when you do an arch. Now that's one of the most difficult things for a man to do. I'm 6'1", I weigh in at about 91 kilos. So in a country filled with branches, I am a bark. You know, so what I'm saying is it's huge. So I try and incorporate a lot of yoga moves in my like pranayam, chakrasana, ashtanga. You know, like there are certain moves that I have vajrasana. When I want to stretch my quadriceps, I get into a vajrasana pose, and from there I stretch my back out. So I incorporate a lot of yoga moves in my functional training, in my strength training. So it's a combination of TRX, Pilates, yoga, functional, strength. जैसे आप खाना बनाते हैं ना उसके अंदर सब कुछ डालते हो आप to make it tasty. I enjoy my workouts. I love going to the gym.
And you just like very country of branches. I just want to ask you how fit you think we are as a nation when compared to the other ones?
Pardon me?
How fit
I don't. Sorry, how fit is?
Are we as a nation?
As a
Are we as a
nation.
nation?
How fit are we as a nation? You know, the concept of fitness is picking up in India, but we are not yet. We are far away from being super fit. We need more people to advise us rightly, and not because I've done the cover of Men's Health. Please don't misunderstand. I really recommend you read a good magazine like Men's Health to understand what you need to eat, what you need to do, how you need to work out. Like she's hurt her leg, for example. You know, how could she have avoided injury on a knee? Maybe glucosamine chondroitin would have been a good, you know, a solution for her where her joints don't get hurt. I don't know what your issue is. How have you hurt your leg? She fell down. Okay. Need balance exercises. But what I'm saying is it's very important to understand your body. And we as India, we don't have the best food in the world as far as fitness is concerned. We need to really stop eating fried food. That's the first move. Yeah? Gee, I am completely against what the censor board has said right now. Absolutely against it. Stupid. Ridiculous. I think a country that can ban India's daughter can ban anything right now. So I just believe that you need to release films. I understand that there's a value of censorship that you do need to adhere by, and I respect that because we're a country with very strong cultural values. But you can't ban everything. You can't stop calling Bombay Bombay if you want to. I mean, you're being plain stupid. So there are certain things that we really have to correct, and I'm sure as an association, the actors, the producers, exactly feel the way I do, and they are taking steps in the right direction to correct all this. And I say to correct all this.
You want to just give your name and where you're from? Okay, what's the question again?
Well, I think. See, I saw India's Daughter myself. I've seen it not once but twice, and I tried to find something objectionable in it. And I believe not only should that documentary be shown, but it should be shown in as many languages across this country to make people aware of the mentality of people in this country and what can be done to correct this. So I feel banning it is being ashamed of the mistakes we are making. I think it's important to confront them and make sure it's out there in the open. It's very important to show this. love Ayushmann, and I'm very happy with. I think he's a very talented actor, and I'm so happy that his film has done well. And irrespective of Dam Laga Ke Haisha, we were planning a film with Ayushmann, like everybody knows, and that's soon to go on the floors. So we are very excited, very happy in any case. But outside of that, it's important for an actor to do well. So for Ayushmann's own mental sanity, it's great. So I'm really happy for him. He's actually a very good boy. If you know Ayushmann very well, he's a lovely boy. Always smiling and always happy.